Hi, John Czapko, Thrive Insurance Group. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about pricing and how we get there from a commercial insurance policy perspective. Now, I can't go into details about individual pricing because that is made up of a lot of different variables and constraints, and that's what I want to talk about today. But I can talk about generic pricing and how we get there. So there are some commonalities around all the different policy types that I wanted to discuss. And what I'll do in later videos is go through details around how we get there from commercial auto, how we get there from cyber, how we get there from a bot perspective, and go into details from pricing from those models. But generically, what I wanted to talk about was a few things. So we start with classification codes. Class codes are based on NAICS and SIC codes. It's very important that we get those identified properly. And you may have multiple codes within your policies. So you may be doing multiple jobs. If you're an artisan contractor, you may be doing multiple jobs within your classification code. So you may see multiple ones on your policies. Don't worry about that. It's important that you're covered for all the jobs that you're doing. Spend time talking to your agent about that, making sure that you're covered. Second of all, revenue and payroll. Most companies are going to rate on revenue or payroll. So make sure those are accurate. You want to make sure those are very accurate because at the end of your policy term, there's a very high likelihood you're going to get audited. It's not a scary IRS audit, but it's an audit, and you want to make sure that your revenue and payroll numbers that you reported at the front end are going to be accurate on the back end. And we do a mid-year check-in to make sure that those numbers are right. And if we have to make any adjustments, we make those adjustments on the fly with our insurers and insureds. So let's make sure we're having those conversations. Claims history. We always ask for loss runs. Get your loss runs up front. Make sure you're getting those, bubble those up at the front end. It's really important that we know your claims history. Claims happen, we understand that, but being forthright with those really helps out in the process. We don't want to uncover those on the back end. Those surprises don't really help anybody. Employee count, safety manuals. Do you have a return to work program? There's a lot of things that go into it. Your location, are you in a high crime area? Are you in a high natural disaster area? I'm just outside of Houston and we get a lot of crazy weather down here. So, we have some of the highest property rates, whether it's homeowners or commercial property in the country. So we have a lot of challenges with that. So there's a lot of things that go into a rating perspective. Your credit. Make sure your business credit scores are up and good. Make sure that you're taking care of those things within your business. Those are things that I caution our business owners on all the time. So there's a lot of things that go into pricing. It's not just can I get a policy and can I get a price. There's a lot of things that we need to make sure that we're educating and articulating the value onto our customers. So if you have any more questions about how we get to the pricing models, I'd love to have that conversation with you. If you have any questions about any other sort of business insurance, I'd love to have any conversations with you. If we can be of any service, please let us know. If you have any other discussions you'd like to have, reach out to us on our website or Facebook page via email. We'd love to have any conversations, and make sure you're reaching out to your local insurance agent as well. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please like us. Please share this with other business owners. Please make sure you get the relevant information that you're getting to make sure your business is protected. And remember, at Thrive Insurance Group, we help you thrive today and protect tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great day.